Now you can laugh at him saying Courtney did it, Courtney matched it.
And it didn't cost me nearly as much as the other one.
Exactly. Yep. So yep, they told you couldn't match it. And when Chad was, look, Chad even happy, he's clapping. Because when we was putting that coating down, so let me show her that this was able to be matched.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, Chad, let's get the UV going.
All right. Downstairs and I'll show you.
Okay, so after we get a UV, I'll just meet you downstairs and I get the payment.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. It's loud out here. We are out here in the Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia area. This is a new client. I came out about a month ago. I did a in-home consultation. Let me get inside and show you guys what we got going. All right, guys, so today is Tuesday, July the 22nd. We're on our first and only job, and I got a ride along with me, one of my newer students, Chad. He is from Panama City Beach, Florida. He's gonna be with me today and tomorrow. All right, guys, ooh, it's loud out there. All right, guys, so what we're gonna be doing, well, we've already started. We are doing a Screen Recoat. This is for Mr. and Mrs. Kelly. They had me come out, and they actually had a few other companies come out, but they liked my UV curing process, and they liked that I did not have to sand all the floors all the way down. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, this is Chad. He is from PCB, one of my newer students, and what we're doing today, guys, is screening this floor down, and we're gonna do a seal coat, and then the rag coat, and then UV cure. So overall, guys, the floors are not too bad. Chad is just taping off the boards where we're gonna stop when we start rolling. Also, we taped off here, and then over here. So we're not going into those rooms. And like I said, it's a little bit close to 400 square feet. And the client, let me tell you guys, the client was very intrigued with the UV curing, but she never heard of it. So she actually called Procoat, and Procoat told her that, yes, you are in good hands with Truman. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and switch these pads out right quick, Chad. There you go. Yep, you got it. There you go. Come back up in this area a little bit more, Chad. There you go. Yeah, you can push it up. Okay, you put it up? All right. Perfect. All right, Dylan, nice to meet you again. All righty. There you go, nice. Don't be afraid to go all the way up under that toe kick. You ain't gonna hurt nothing. Now you see with the diamonds, it lasts longer.
Yeah, I have questions. I'll save to the end of the class.
All righty. There you go. That's one thing I love about that machine. It sits low, so it go under those toe kicks really good. Alright guys, we got a great screening on this floor, as you can see. So we're about to go ahead and put down the seal coat, which is going to give us a nice build, and also going to give us some great adhesion with our rag coat. And then I'm going to let that dry for about 45 minutes, and then we're going to put down the rag coat. All right, floors are looking great. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Okay, this ready. What we can do is make it look like this. Yeah, like that. Yeah. There you go. There you go. All right, guys. Turn it around for me, Chad. We got the rag coat going down. Rag coat going down. All right, so what we're gonna do is get the rag coat going down. Well, it is going down. And I'm gonna do this part, and then me and Chad are gonna go have some lunch. Probably shoot up to Lenox Mall. Chad's never been. And yeah, guys, floors came out really, really good. Really happy with it. So the sheen that we're using is satin. And I'm gonna come back, tell my client to stay off the floors for at least a few hours. Oh, that looks so good. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, I told you, all those other two companies say you need to sand it. All right, guys. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Look at that, Miss Becky.
Oh, that's great.
Oh yeah. That looks amazing. You keep your shoes on. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Wow. And again, guys, this was not a full sand. So we taped off here. Oh, this looks really good. Wow. Oh, that looks so good. Come on through, Miss Becky. Come on through. This looks so good, nice and clean. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I told you. That's the color. Everybody tell you to sand it. No. Because the one thing about natural floors, they're a whole lot easier to work with because they're not stained. So we didn't have to worry about knocking stain off. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start the UV curing process. Yep. So that's another benefit of this, the 1-day process.
Yeah.
UV cure. And I thank you also too for calling Austin at ProCoat. When you called him, Jessica, a lot of people never heard of this UV cure process. So a lot of people are intrigued about it. They're like, UV cure, never heard of that. And that's why I offer it, like you were just saying. Once we get this UV cured, your cat, your furniture, everything goes back on the floor same day.
Wow. I know, it's real. That's nice. 1 day.
1 day.
Is okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, check. Look at it here. Wow. So much cleaner and smoother it looks now.
Yeah. This was really pretty torn up.
Yes. All right, guys, go ahead, Chad. You're fine. So, guys, this is what Chad is pulling the tape up, and this is what my client was told by other companies. This is why they didn't have to move the rest of this furniture, because they just really just wanted to focus on the high traffic areas. So if you look and see what Chad is pulling the tape, you see, guys, you cannot even notice the difference. And even in here, let me show you. So I'm just UV curing right now. You finna pull that up, Chad. Just want to show them. So same thing in here. We had taped off this board. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Can't even see the difference, guys. And then over here, same thing. They didn't move any of the furniture over here. We tape off the boards and look at. Yep, Truman got him again. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Another job well done. Floors look amazing. And yeah, so actually picked up another consultation that's in where we are now, close to Buckhead. She just called us about an hour ago. I told her I will call her when we're done here to stop by. She said it's a brand new house. They just want it professionally. The floor is professionally cleaned. So we're gonna go out there, and then tomorrow we have a screen and recoat. Christian then went out to move the furniture today. And then we also have 2 consultations tomorrow as well. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Another happy client. See you in the next one.